Marianne Williamson I would listen to some of her CDs, and it was so helpful because she really would address things, those ruts that many of us have, that you wouldn't even think that there was a different way of thinking. When anything from your physical health, like I remember one of them was, I enjoy perfect health now. And all the times when we're not feeling good, all the time that we spend in our brain thinking how we're not feeling good, even just saying that, even me just sitting here today saying, I enjoy perfect health now. This makes me, it feels good to your soul. Her take on life, she talks about the Course of Miracles. I'm Christian, and it aligns a lot of things with my Christian belief. Forgiveness, how heavy forgiveness is, and she just really encourages forgiveness. She talks about prosperity and how you can be kind of, instead of, and I don't want to it's not just a positive thinking hype thing. It's about your whole perspective, your whole view on things. And I really like how she would say things. I was just thinking one of her other quotes was, money flows easily. And things like that, instead of just saying money is always tight. They were just really ways to open up your mind to different ways of thinking. I know the forgiveness thing was really important for me. And I'm trying to think what other, those were the common ones that I think of.
And so you really were able to kind of integrate all of this sort of like emotional work and the psychological work and the mantra and the empowerment, and also within the framework of the body, and how holding on to things adds to tension and fear and a sense of resistance.